Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Yeezy 350 version 2s in the linen colorway, I guess. This is my first time doing like a sneaker type of video, so bear with me. It literally came today via FedEx. And this is my first pair of Yeezys. Super excited, wanted them forever. And funny story, as I'm taping it, what was the funny story? So yeah, I was on this website called StockX and I was looking at some of them, right? But because of COVID-19, they were like, the shoes, you might not get it in time, or you know, whatever. Now what StockX is, it's literally like a marketplace where, say I have these and I wanted to sell them because they don't fit or I just don't like them for whatever reason, I could put them up on StockX and sell them there. But what happens is I would mail it to the StockX people, and then the StockX people would examine it, make sure that it's authentic, and then mail it out to you. I didn't know that's how it worked. Now I know, now you know. Anyways, so I was on the StockX site and I was looking at a pair, the black ones that I wanted to get last year but missed out on. And when I was looking at it, they were like, I think $350 or something around that price range for my size. Decided to just go on the Adidas website, try my luck. Of course, none were available, but these new ones, these were coming out the following day. So I had already had the app download, the Adidas app, and that's where I went and registered and paid my $235 for them. And then by the next day, by like midday or so the next day, they're like, congrats, you won a pair, it'll be shipping out, It shipped the next day, which was the Sunday, I believe. Today is Friday, and here they are. So I just threw the box. Should I show you the box top? So that's the box top, 350 Boost. Does it say V2 on the side? No, made by Adidas. All right, so that's that. That's how this one inside box looks. It comes wrapped in that paper there. I got a size 7.5. I'm usually a size 7 in men's, but every video that I saw said that the version 2s run small, and these look huge. Jesus Christ. Jesus. These look gigantic. Oh my heavens. But yeah. Yeah. There's a little tag. Let me see if it'll focus. Focus. Yes, there we go. And it has the sizing and everything. So I'm gonna try it on. I should put some socks on. I'm gonna try it on, see how it fits, but this looks huge. It's so funny because like I said, I'm a men's 7 usually, and the first ones were the first 350s that came out. Those ran true to size based on everything that I saw, right? With the version 2s, they say it runs small, so you should get a size up. So I ordered a 7.5. All right, but these look huge. These look huge. I might have to give them to my husband. No, but he's a 9, so it won't fit him either. All right, I'm gonna try it on. Give me 2 minutes. Oh my God, these, I feel like I'm walking on a sponge. That's how I feel. These are, I look taller now, so go back. These are the most comfortable pair of shoes I've ever put on in my entire life. No exaggeration. And then you see I was saying they're huge, they're actually the perfect fit. If I had gone with my true size, a size 7, I think it would have been too tight. So going up a half size, you're good, you're Gucci. What do people say in these videos? Fred, what do people say in these videos?
I don't watch these videos.
It fits good, it feels good, it looks good, to me anyways. I know there's some people who don't like these, but I love them. Would I buy them again? Definitely. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I wouldn't wear socks though. I have them on with socks right now. Wouldn't wear socks with them. I'm gonna show you what's happening down here at some point in time. But for now, that's that. Am I gonna keep them? Yes. I love them. I love them. And then this is, I wanted a lighter version. I didn't want anything, I didn't want that yellow one that looks like pee. The one I really wanted was either the all black ones or the cream ones. Those are fire. Yeah, but this is a nice in between. It's a creamish, off-whitish with the blue linen, blue denim look going with it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, so if you guys want to see more videos like these, let me know. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. I like it.